Welcome to Autofocus Review, your trusted source for in-depth and exciting car reviews. Today we have something special for families, road trip lovers and those who value comfort with style. Get ready to explore the 2025 Peugeot 807, a minivan that combines luxury, technology and practicality like never before. Let's dive into why this minivan could be the perfect choice for you. Spacious and comfortable interior. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the luxury of space. The 807 is built for comfort, making long drives enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. With 3 rows of seating, there's room for up to 7 passengers. The soft leather seats, adjustable headrests and ample legroom ensure a relaxing ride. Peugeot has also added smart storage compartments so you'll never run out of space for your essentials. Cutting-edge technology for a smart drive. Peugeot has packed the 2025 Peugeot 807 with the latest technology to make driving effortless and fun. The large touchscreen infotainment system comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. The AI-powered voice assistant allows you to control music, navigation, and climate settings without lifting a finger. Powerful yet efficient performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot 807 offers multiple engine options, including a turbocharged petrol engine and an eco-friendly hybrid version. The hybrid model is perfect for those who want fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The smooth automatic transmission and responsive handling make driving effortless, even in heavy city traffic. Why the Peugeot 807 is the perfect choice. The 2025 Peugeot 807 is more than just a minivan. It's a luxury family vehicle that brings together style, comfort, technology and safety. Whether you're a family person looking for a spacious and safe ride, or someone who loves long trips with friends, this minivan is an excellent option. Stay tuned to Autofocus Review for more exciting car reviews. If you love cars and want to stay updated, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know in the comments. What do you think about the 2025 Peugeot 807? Would you consider buying it?